Well, Mr. Bill Clinton, Barack Obama, Joe Biden, this video goes out to y'all. I'm here in North Carolina. And Mother Nature, I think, has proven that once again, when it comes to global warming, y'all all been talked about for all these years, that was also a lie. Can you believe it? Look at this. Look at this right here. Good God Almighty. Oh, good Lord of mercy. Look at that. Yeah. Global warming. See, it's only, look at it. It's a damn whiteout out here. Good Lord. See, y'all wouldn't know nothing about this. See, y'all pay for y'all's power bill with money y'all made while y'all was the presidents. You know how you went in there worth like $2 million, made $450,000 a year, and somehow come out worth $50 million. I'm not sure how that math adds up, but you know. Anyway, I just figured I'd let y'all know that once again, y'all Democrats was wrong. Global warming, my ass. When you start feeding a wood stove, then you can comment back. But since y'all ain't out in the snow getting wood, chopping wood, putting it in the wood stove, hell, y'all ain't worried about it. Alright then, well, hope everybody stays warm. And better vote Republican. Alright then, see you, bye.